Hello everyone, myself Anshuman Bishnoi and I am from Chitkarya University. In this video, I will be showing that how can we control the robot using Bluetooth module. So firstly, I will be showing the components which are used for the project. This is the microcontroller known as Arduino Uno, which contains the program code for the robot. It also have 14 digital input output pins, where 6 are analog input pins. The input voltage recommended for this Arduino Uno is 7 to 12 volt. It also contains RX and TX pins for Bluetooth communication, which are numbered as 0 and 1 on the microcontroller. Now, this is the second component for the project, which is motor driver module L298N. This module is used to control the DC motors, and it have the capability to control 4 DC motors, and it can also control 2 DC motors with direction as well as speed. Here you can see that this is the power supply port containing 3 pins: 12 volt pin, ground pin and the 5 volt pin. From the 12 volt pin we can supply power from 5 volt to 35 volt, and here you can see that this is 5 volt jumper and it is 7805 voltage regulator. So when the power supply to this 12 volt pin is less than 12 volt and the jumper is enabled, then the 7805 voltage regulator supplies 5 volt to the internal circuit. But if the 12 volt pin have the input voltage greater than 12 volt and the jumper is not enabled, so we need to supply separate 5 volt to operate the internal circuit. So these are the 4 pins in 1, in 2, in 3 and in 4, which are used to control the direction of the motors A and motors B. In 1 and in 2 are used for motor A, in 3 and in 4 are used for motor B. In A pin is used to control the speed of motor A, and in B pin is used to control the speed of motor B. Here these are the out 1 and out 2 pins, out 3 and out 4 pins. Out 1 and out 2 pins are connected to motor A, and out 3 and out 4 pins are connected to motor B. All these 6 pins in A, in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4 and in B are connected to the Arduino. So this is the third component, which is a Bluetooth module HC05. It contains 4 pins: VCC, ground, TX and RX. It works on the principle of serial data communication, and where the serial data means when bits are transmitted one after the other rather than in groups and along the same route. Here the RX pin is used to receive serial data. It is basically used to communicate between two microcontrollers like Arduino and one mobile. It has an operating voltage of 4 to 6 volt, and it is very easy to use, where we have to connect the TX pin of this Bluetooth module to the RX pin of Arduino and RX pin to the TX pin of Arduino. These are other components like battery, 9 volt battery and breadboard, which are used in this project. Now, this is the circuit diagram for my project, where the out 1 and out 2 pins are connected with motor A and out 3 and out 4 pins are connected with motor B. These all are the pins which are connected with the Arduino, and the motor driver is supplied power with a 9 volt battery, and the motor driver and the Arduino have a common ground through this breadboard, which is connected through this wire, and the breadboard is supplied with 5 volt, and the Bluetooth module is supplied power through this breadboard. The Arduino is supplied 9 volt through this battery. So the mobile app which is used for controlling the robot is the Bluetooth RC controller, which can be installed from Google Play Store. So now I will be showing the actual working behind the commands on Bluetooth app. So this is the interface provided by the Bluetooth RC controller app. Here you can see the upward key, downward key, left key and the right key. Actually, these keys are associated with some characters, like the forward key is associated with F character and the backward key with B character. Similarly, left key is associated with the L character and the right key with R character. When we provide input through this app and press the upward key, then actually the F character is transmitted to the Bluetooth. Not exactly the F character is transmitted, but the ASCII value of F character is transmitted, and if we press the downward key, the ASCII value of the B character is transmitted. Here, this is the menu for the Bluetooth RC controller app. Here we need to choose the connect to car option to connect the Bluetooth RC controller app with the module, and I can show you the settings and the backend commands for the keys. Here you can see that the F character is related to the upward key and backward key is related to B character, and L, R, all these the characters which are sent to the Bluetooth. So this was the actual working at the back end.
Now I will be showing the code for the rover movement using Bluetooth module. So firstly I have declared the in-A pin as the 9 and in1 and in2 pins as 8, 7 on the Arduino. Similarly in-B pins as 3 and in3 and in4 pins are 5 and 4 respectively. So in the setup function I have set up all the pins as output pins, and I have initially turned the motor off by making the in1, in2, in3 and in4 as on low state. And this is the void loop function, and here I have used the switch case for different characters. If the character is F, so the in1 and in3 pins are set on high state, and the motor speed is set to be the maximum 255, where the analog values can be from 0 to 255. For forward movement I have made the in1 and in3 pins on high state. Similarly for backward movement I have made in3 and in1 pins on low state and in2 and in4 pins on high state for the backward movement. For left movement, the in1 pin is set to be high and the in3 pin is set to be low. Similarly for right movement, in3 pins is set high and in1, in2 and in4 pins are set. For any default case, the motors will be off. So this was all about my program for the rover movement.